So I'm sitting here at a hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. This machine is a true blast from the past. I saw this while coming in last night. This Windows XP installation is literally that old, right from 2004, and it runs fluently. There's not a problem opening things, doing anything. Even things like Google Chrome, which are still on here, still work. And like I was saying, I was checking the hard drive on this to see actually how old it was, and sure enough, that Hitatchi's been in there since 2004. Truly incredible. This is something that's made my trip actually pretty interesting. That there's still an XP installation from 2004 sitting on a machine probably about that age. Sitting in a hotel lobby, which that's really surprising. It's made all these years in a hotel lobby and not gotten all crowded up.